Hello everybody, my name is Tiago and today I'm going to show you all the apt commands that you will need to use in your Linux system to manage your packages. Apt stands for Advanced Package Tool, and let's go directly to the point. First thing you need is to open your terminal. You can do it with Ctrl Alt T if you are in Ubuntu a or if your system has this shortcut, but if it doesn't have, just go to wherever you used to find your things and search for terminal. Both ways work. So now that we are in our terminal, let me put it here that so we can zoom it in the edition. uh, okay, first command that I'm going to show you is the sudo apt update. What does it do? So basically in your system here, let me go there to the root if you don't know the commands to manage files in your system and go to folders and etc. I have a video showing them. I will put it in the description and you can go there, and after finishing seeing that video, watching that video, you can come back to this. So I'm going to my root. Here I'm going to etc. etc. That's the folder where your configuration, your config files usually be. So here, as you can see, I have a lot of configuration files of a lot of programs. So let's go to apt, and here we have source.list. So that's where we are storing our packages that we can install. So the list of the packages we can install. So let's come back to my home. Doing sudo apt update, it will get all the latest information from our repositories, so we can install any program in a correct way. So if let's do sudo apt update, here we will be asked to put our at least now my password, but you will be requested to put yours. It won't show you. So as you can see, I typed my password, but it isn't showing anything. It's just for your security, don't worry. So if you press enter, it will execute the command. So now it is pulling the latest information from you know the your packages host that you have there. So okay, now we have some errors, and okay, that's good. Let's clear the terminal, and okay, that's the update. That's you always need to use it before installing something because it's a good practice. So okay, so now sudo apt upgrade. It's good doing this before installing anything, but it's good to you do this always because it will upgrade the package that you have installed in your system, and it's very important to your security. So if you just want to upgrade one package, you can just do sudo apt upgrade and the name of your package like grep. So now it will, yeah, why to confirm that I want to do it. So now it is upgrading grep. So, but don't worry, you don't need to be always putting upgrading manually each package. If you just let this finish, but okay, I'll cancel it too, so we don't need to. Okay, I don't think I can cancel it. Okay, let's wait. I'll pause the video and come back when it finishes. Okay, coming back now that we finished upgrading grep. If we want to just upgrade all the packages installed in your system, you can just do sudo apt upgrade, and without naming any package, it will automatically upgrade all the packages in your system that it is possibly that it can possibly upgrade without removing any other installed package. So let's run it, but oh, okay, so like I did this before, like some time ago, so I don't have anything to upgrade. That's good. You will probably, if you haven't done this in a long time, you will probably receive the things that you are upgrading. So let's clear this. Okay, so now let's see how we can install a package really in practice. So if you run sudo apt list, it will show a list of packages that you already like have in repositories in your system that you can like just do sudo apt install and the name of the package. It's very easy and it will install the package. But if you don't have the repository, just go to the install page of the program you want to install. So let's imagine we want to install Ubuntu Cleaner. Okay, it's in other language, but don't worry with the things. I'm just here to get this command. So this command that you will probably find in any installing page to that this will make it possible to install their program. So with this command here we can add it to our repository list and okay, enter. Okay, it started. So when we finish when it finishes downloading the package, we will need to run sudo apt update. Here's like it's written with get, but it isn't necessary. So sudo apt update, so it will update like that list that I showed you before. So it will make it possible to reinstall this program. So now that we have updated our search list, we can just do sudo apt install Ubuntu Cleaner. And now we are downloading Ubuntu Cleaner. That is a package that wasn't previously possible to be downloaded because we didn't have the repository to do so. So okay, now we have Ubuntu Cleaner. That's how easy it is to install something on Ubuntu. So if we try to find here, now we have Ubuntu Cleaner. That's good, right? So let's close this Ubuntu Cleaner inside. Okay, so let's say we have a problem with our Ubuntu Cleaner, and I don't know why, but I think if I reinstall the package, it will work again because it isn't working now. So to reinstall, it's even easier than installing. So just because you already have the package, so just do sudo apt reinstall and the package. So Ubuntu Cleaner. Okay, it is installing again. Easy. We install again Ubuntu Cleaner. But let's say I don't want it anymore. So just do sudo. Oh, I forgot to put the package here. So just do sudo apt remove and the name of the package. So Ubuntu Cleaner. And it is asking for confirmation. But I will say and I will say no, just to show you one thing more. So let's say my time is precious and I don't want to say like to confirm that. Just add the flag y and it will automatically confirm that you really want to remove the package. So sudo apt remove and the name Ubuntu Cleaner with this flag dash y, and see that it won't it didn't ask me if I really want to proceed. So if we try to find Ubuntu Cleaner, I don't have Ubuntu Cleaner. I no longer have Ubuntu Cleaner. That's good. Yeah. So let's say when I install a package, it automatically installs other dependencies. And when I remove this package, it doesn't remove the dependencies the package I installed previously installed. So Ubuntu has a command to auto remove these dependencies that you are no longer using. That is sudo apt auto remove. And okay, the flag y, I could have added the flag y, and now it is auto removing some packages here. It showed me which packages would be are are going to be removed, and that's good. Now that's how it is to auto remove dependencies, so you don't keep trash in your system that you don't use. Okay, now the apt list. What basically apt list does is to show all the packages you can install because they are in a repository in your system. So if you run sudo apt list, it will ask for your password if you haven't uh, write for some time using sudo. So sudo apt list. Okay, and now it's showing all the packages that we can install in our system, but I will just show you something like I will not explain this command in this video, but if we do this thing with the pipe guy and wc, we can see how many lines there are in this output, how many words there are in this output. So in this output that we received using sudo apt list, we had 67,600 lines. It is the lines, this is the words, and this is the bytes. So we had more than 60,000 lines. So like if we want to install a package and we want to see if we can like just install it using sudo apt install without needing to add a repository before, we need to find this package in this long list. And we are Linux user, we like to use our time efficiently, so it would be a waste of time just looking at all these guys until we find the what we want to install. So let's see here some guy. Okay, so WM maker. I don't know what this is, but let's use it as our example. Let me clear it. So let's say I want to see if I have it in my list, but I don't want to spend a lot of time. I can just do sudo apt list to output out that lines that we saw before, but using the pipe guy, we will execute a grep command at the output that we are receiving from sudo apt list. So this command will return all that lines that we saw containing each package that we can install, and using grep, the pipe and grep after it, we can search for a keyword, so for a word that we want to find. So I don't remember. I think it was WA maker, and if I grep it, this symbol here that I forgot the name now, it's optional double quotes, it's the name, but I will use it because I prefer it. So okay, it didn't return anything because WM maker, because there wasn't any WM maker in the list. So just let me see any other, because I forgot the name of the guy we saw there. So sudo apt list. Okay, so we can see if we can install zsh. Okay, this guy here, zsh. Okay, so let me clear this, and let's do that command again that we failed before. That's normal. Sudo apt list, the pipe guy grep, and zsh, and it will return all the lines that contains zsh. Here, if you know regular expressions, you can use with grep. So sudo apt list grep. If like you want to receive a more restrained, like a more specific output, you can use regular expressions. So now you adding this caret, it will only return the packages that starts with zsh. So this zsh here won't show, it will no longer be showed. So apt list grep zsh, and as you can see now, just files containing zsh are being showed. Okay, now that you know the grep guy, the grep command, you can use it with any other command that will return an output to just get a specific part using a keyword. So that's a really useful that you are going to use a lot because it saves a lot of your time. So remember this grep command that we used with apt list. Okay, so in order to know the packages that you already have installed in your system, you can use the installed flag that install as in your sudo apt list command. So using this it will make to only return the installed package in our system. So if you do that command that I didn't tell you what it was before, that was wc, so sudo apt installed pipe wc, you can see that there is only 2412 lines, and if you do it without the flag installed, there are more than 6000 lines. So as you can see, this with the installed flag, it will reduce a lot the number because it will only show the installed packages in your system, right? So that's good. And you can use, as I said before, you can use grep with it. You can use grep with any command that returns an output. Okay, now the sudo apt search. It is very alike the sudo apt list with the grep. The difference, like, it is not, you can see like it's not so much case sensitive, and like just for having the, for being alike with the command, it will appear. So like if you don't know exactly what the name of the package you want to find is, you can use this command. So sudo apt search and the name of the package you are trying to find, so zsh. Using this, it will show much more results. Okay, where did it start? Yeah, it started here. So it's like just for having zsh in the description, like this guy just appeared because of the esh, you know, but like just for having zsh in the description or in the name, so v csh just are for being like alike in the name, just for some characters, it will show you. Okay, I was showing the results, like, but it was the same thing. I just went to a more far, a faster command that I used before recording this part of the video. So that's how sudo apt search works. It's very like using sudo apt list with the pipe and grep, but it will show more results because it isn't so specified. And the last document that I'm going to show you is the apt show. what basically Sudo Apt show does, it show information about a package. So let's see here, CSH. Then let's use CSH that we found now. So sudo apt show CSH. Okay, so here we have a lot of information. So the package name, the version, okay, section, the origin, maintainer, a lot of information like the size, the dependencies, what depends on it, and that's it. The description. That's what sudo apt show does. So sudo apt show grep, and same information, like same package name, version, description. So if you want to know something about a package, just do sudo apt show. Okay, now that we saw all these commands, you can manage packages in your system successfully without having any problems. So these like are the commands that you will use the most to manage packages in your system. It's very easy and it's very easy to remember and to use. If you want to have these comments, I am going to put it in the description, so you can just like put it in a notepad or come back to the video to see the comment again if you someday forget it. But if with the practice you will remember these guys because they are essential in a Ubuntu, in a Linux system. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a like if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and bye.